Hello everyone, this is your Lucky. Welcome to Henako. This green juice really helps in the morning for me to clear out my gut, with my constipation or my stooling issues. This juice can be consumed by anybody, even kids, women, men, it doesn't matter with the age, but this really helps to clear out your gut, especially in the morning. So I say you should take this juice on the empty tummy to give the maximum results. And if you can't tolerate the greens and if you feel like sick of taking the green juice, I would recommend start having it very slowly, maybe like a half glass, and try to add some lemon and honey. That will really helps to kickstart your drinking healthy green juice. Because a few of my friends always say greens are like yucky. Even my kids say greens are like yucky. But even I'm not a fondant of eating greens. But somehow it turned out okay for me to handle this green juice. Actually, I think doesn't taste as bad as it looks like, guys. I think we all fail in the beginning by starting itself. Should start taking it and see the change, then you will love it. I'm not a big fan of keeping juices in the fridge and taking it later. So these are green juices, so it's better all the time, consume immediately as soon as you are done. Please let me know how you tried, how you liked it in your comments. Your comments and likes are very much appreciated to boost my channel. Thank you, guys. I'm a very big fan of pineapple, so I always look for options how I can use pineapple even in the cooking, juicing or eating raw. Oranges also, I'm a big fan of oranges. Wherever I see at my friend's place, I try to take one and eat. So this juice really, it's just a fruit juice, but it really helps with your skin, and I tend to give this to my kids more often after their school or in the morning, as soon as they get up. This lime, if you can handle the shell part, you can leave it as is. I'm going to add a palm jaggery here. This is called Tati Bellam in Telugu. This palm jaggery is very different from the normal jaggery. This will have more iron content. I think if you guys are from India especially, you will know the benefits of this palm jaggery. You can add some ice cubes if you love to have drinking cold, but I don't prefer to have any icing to my juice. So this is not a magic pill, guys. Regular intake is recommended to have any healthy habit to show the results on our bodies. So please try to have it at least weekly thrice or couple of times in a week for the best results. And if you really like my channel or videos, please try to comment and share. That would be very appreciated. Thank you so much for staying with me on this journey.